Hello everyone and welcome to this Arc browser review. In this video we're taking a dive into Arc browser where they promise to change the way we browse the internet. So we're going to be walking through the key features, the pros and cons, and at the end you can make up your mind if Arc browser will be your best choice. Arc browser uses what they call spaces and profiles. So spaces let you group your tabs and browsing sessions into visually distinct areas, so you can separate your work from play and different projects. Profiles allow you to keep all of your information separate, like different users on one computer. It's clean, organized, and honestly, it looks like a breath of fresh air. Then you have the command bar. The command bar is another standout feature. Hit Command T on your MacBook or Control T, and you can quickly switch tabs, access features, or perform actions with just a few keystrokes. It's a huge time saver. And lastly, a quick look at the Little Arc and Split View. Little Arc is a pop-up window that allows you to quickly view a link without having to navigate away from the main page. Split Views allows you to view two pages side by side, making comparisons and multitasking much easier. Now, if any service or product would like to talk about the pros and cons, the interface is undeniably clean and minimalist. The organization with spaces and profiles is fantastic, and those innovative features like easels and command bar are game changers. Plus, Arc browser is Chromium based, and this makes it fast as well. So overall, you can get to enjoy using Arc as I have, and it's definitely designed for power users and those who crave organization or a move from the traditional browsing style. The level of customization is impressive, and it's still in active development, and you can expect more updates in the future. So if you value a clean, organized web browsing experience, then Arc is worth checking out. We hope at this point, with the information given, you'll be able to make a decision on the choice if you'd like to move to Arc browser. If you do, let us know in the comments, and thanks for watching.